Come test drive the 2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.